I achieve this lipstick, so the first thing I do, I moisturize the lips with moisturizer to make the lips to be soft. The next thing I do, I make use of Girls Corner lip palette. You can see it. I'm holding it with my hand. I use the brown color. If you see the ash color, the second color, that's the color I use, which is the brown color. I use it for the lips first. I make use of three different kind of lipstick before I arrive at that lipstick. One thing about lipstick is you can mix color. You can study color reels to know the kind of colors you can mix together that will make it to comes out, the kind of colors you can use to complement each other that will come out very well. I use brown, and the kind of shape of the mouth will determine what you are drawing. Makeup is art. It depends on how you can draw, that will determine. Some people have round mouth, some people have wide mouth. You are going to like draw it in a way that the mouth will be nice. It's not going to be so pronounced. You cannot draw someone that has a wide mouth and you make it wide at the same time. You have to make it small. So the next thing, I apply nude lipstick in the same Girls Corner lip palette. Then I blend it. Make sure you blend and you don't make the line to show as if you are mixing two colors together, and it gives you this thing. This is another lipstick.